this one hit? Oh, crazy! Damn! We're cooking, bro. We're cooking.
I'm out and all time.
Yo, I'm back again with another video. So we're gonna be continuing the episode 2. Yeah, episode 2. So yep, gonna be gagawa tayo ng bahay this episode. I think I'm gonna get the materials for it. So let's get right into it. So yun nga guys, nagpabreak na tayo sa board ko. So kung nakikita nyo guys, full iron na ako. So nag-mining ako a bit. And I found a spawn. Just like ito, second village to guys. Andun yung isang village sa may yung village na nakita kong pangalawa. Bago makapunta dito yung puntahan ko. Ay, napuntahan ko guys. Mga gusto nyo, pakita ko sa inyo yung clips na nakita ko. Kaso wala ko clips nun eh. Ito talaga nainis ako dito sa mga chicken na to. Hindi ko pinapatayin itong mga chicken na to kasi isa lang binibigay ng chicken. Hindi katulad sa baboy, sa baka, sa kambing. Itong mga isa lang bibigay, tapos mayroong mag-i-drop na feathers. What the frick are you doing, bro? Get out of here. I don't wanna kill you. Let's sleep na bag pa. May carrots pala tayo. Tatanim ko din yan. Kung nagkana tayo. Alright, let me get the... Diyan muna kayo kasi definitely gagawin kong XP farm yan. So, I hope na magkaroon kagad tayo diamonds. Wait. Did I have diamonds? No. Okay, kala ko may diamonds. May diamonds ako dito isa oh. Kaso, kailangan ko ng obsidian and 2 blocks to make enchanting table. Kaso, wala pa tayong ganyan. But I'm gonna... What the heck, bro? Explode you! I'm scared talaga pag ganun. Wait, like what, bro? What? Alright, I'm back. Okay, so buti walang clipper na sumabog. Tara guys, punta natin yung XP zombie farm na nakita ko nung hindi ako nagre-record. Na-record ko siya pero sobrang haba ng video guys. Hindi ko ma-edit, tas ang hihina pa ng boses ko. Partida naka headphones na may mic. Pero I don't think hindi talaga siya nag-work. Tara punta natin yung yung zombie farm. Let's go. Boom! We're at here, bro. Alright, so ito yung spawner. So like kinuha ko yung mga loot. Hindi pa pala. The frick. I'm just gonna organize them. Cause yep, okay, that's good. I'm gonna get this right. And so this is 5 by 5 and then 5 by 5 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh nga, 5 by 5. So I'm just gonna destroy this old cobblestone and make a dito. Tapos gagawin ko, lagyan ko ng strip ng water pag ganon papunta dun and doon sila mag-ano. Ayoko yung sa middle sila mag-drop kasi yung pangit nun boy. Tara gawin natin. Oh boy, this is gonna take long. Okay guys, so my pickaxe broke. Like this mine already. Nakakamit pa lang ako na isang layup pababa. What the frick? Okay, so let me test something. Oh Ooh, perfect. Perfect. That's exactly. And wala akong ano. Pickaxe. Oh my god, this is gonna take so long, bro. And I don't have a freaking. Bro, it's just right outside my freaking. What the frick? Ulot ako dun ah. Alright, kunin natin yung pickaxe dun sa. Ay, hindi ko ata yung pickaxe sa this. Like, bro, it's gonna take so long talaga, guys. Like, for it. Alright, let's get back up. Ang layo pa ng base ko, ha? Like, what do you want, bro? Just let me get up. Alright, where's my base? Okay, dito. Like, right there. I'm just gonna build a bridge. Alright, I'm gonna build a bridge. Okay, wait. Bro. Alright, let's go get my iron pickaxe again. I'm gonna make two because maybe the other one may be broke. Alright, let's go. Let's cook some bro, I don't have a coal. Like, bro, I'm so poor, bro. Like, damn. Starting night. Let's go to sleep. Damn, I'm so poor. Like, damn talaga. Turn this into woods and smelt that. Like, I need a probably ano muna tayo, 3 hoppers and 2 pickaxes. So bale, no, that's not what I meant. 1 hopper and 2 pickaxes. So how much that is? So I'm just gonna check hopper. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 plus 5, 10. 2 hoppers, right? And 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3, 6. So 16. I need 16 iron to get a pickaxe and hopper. I'm gonna crop 3 chests. 3 chests. No, 4 chests. 4 chests. Cause double chest para dun sa may lalagyan ng hoppers ko. Hoppers ko? Oh, ng hoppers. And tapos, hindi, tama ba? 2 hoppers and 2, no, 2 more. Kasi dalawa pa ganyan, tapos meron pa dito sa taas na hopper. Dalawa pa, diba? Tapos diba putik? Talino ko 16. 8 na lang. I'm gonna play this and we're gonna get it. And boom, we got it. Alright, so let me make 2 hoppers, just like I said earlier, and 2 pickaxes. See, bro, I'm just freaking good at this. Now we gotta transition to the spawners, and Boom! Let's go! So, like, we're gonna be a, like, so I'm gonna dig 2 more there. And we're gonna be doing some, stuff na paglalagyan ng mga zombie. Swerte ko nga guys na nakita ko to. Gusto ko lang maghanap ng coal nun eh. So nakahanap naman ako, tapos nakakuha ko ng iron na marami, kaya ako gumawa ng armor. And nakita ko to. Swerte ko talaga, ano lang siya, ano lang din siya sa surface, makikita mo lang din, malagot lang siya sa surface. Hindi palawig lang siya. Man, what's wrong with me, bro? Gagawa tayo ng dito. Okay, cool, nice one. Gagawa tayo ng paglalaglagan nila, pero pagka-hit natin sa kanila ng espada, sword natin, 1 hit sila, you know what I mean, bro? Para pagka hit natin, meron na tayo agad XP. This gonna take so long. Gonna be doing here right there. Is this even possible? Wait. Is that even possible? Okay, bro. I need to put a sign. Right. So dito sa may drop mga zombie. Let me get this photo. Kala ko na may nag-spawn. May torch pala tayo dito. Gamitin ko muna ito kasi ang dilim. Alright, tapos na yan. So, ang hirap na ito ba yan? Pero, that's okay. Hindi, gagawa tayo infinite water source. That's the strat. Dito na lang sa dito na. Ayun. Alright, bro. Convinced this is gonna work. Oh. Alright, let me get this. Bro, just look at my freaking durability of my pickaxe. It's cooked. It's cooked, bro. Alright, that should be perfect. What the fuck? Tatakpan natin ito para no freaky stuff happen on my brain zombie farm. Gulat ako dun ah. Kala ko long fall. I'm gonna count this, bro. So alam ko 21 they should be. Nice. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Now, andilim. Yo. Wait, let me grab some torch, bro. So dark. upper and chest. And I'm gonna make, dito ko lalagay yung enchanting table ko guys. So kayo maglala. Kayo maglala guys. Ano naman ako, maangas naman ako maglaro. Di yung some players na walang tag dito. Brain cells. That's bro. Okay, tara guys. Tapusin natin to. Should be good, right? I think this should be good. Now we're gonna be putting some chests and hoppers. Now I'm just gonna put it like that, and gonna dig an area so boom. That's the hopper wire, right? Okay, it's here actually. It's even possible to open. There we go. Now, alright, now I'm just gonna put it like that. There you go. We got some working. Working what the heck did I call it? What? Bro, I'm tripping. Ano na ako guys, nalilito na talaga ako guys. I don't know bro. I'm tripping na talaga guys. Like, damn, chill out. Tapos lagyan mo na stop dyan and probably trapdoor na. Trapdoor to stop mobs. The baby zombie, running like that, and should be good. I had to grab some ladders. Or the ladders. There you go, bro. Boom! We got ourselves some freaking comfiest room. Now I'm just gonna remove the light from there, bro. It's gonna be painful, bro. Okay, where do I put my escape? Hindi, escape road. The heck you mean, bro? Siguro dito na lang. Dito na lang. Alright, let me get some sticks. Bro, that's all that I can craft. Mesha. So probably nandito yung natin mob spawner. So dito rin tayo lalabas dito. So wait lang. Wait, dito muna. Just let me try my yo. Break that. Para di sila mag-spawn sa may boom guys, is Porky. I'm gonna be eating my last steak. Please don't. Bro, you're so bad. I'm gonna break the... Please get me out of here, please. Please. Alright, seal this off. We got a soap, some working. Alright, so let me just, I'm gonna make a infinite water source here to clutch every time. Narinig ko sila. Let's dito yun na. Wait. There you go, perfect. Is this one hit? Damn! We're cooking, bro. We're cooking on this farm, bro. Like, damn, bro. Ang dami na itong laman kagad kahit di pa po ako masyado. Kasi dahil nga dun sa loot, di ba? Give me that torch. Bang! Alright. Oh, yo. Chill, bro. I'm gonna put you on the bro, like. Alright, dito ka. Pero pag ito po, alright yan, okay, pwede na. So, this is the farm, bro. Like, pretty simple, but kung ano, napakaangas. So, that's all muna guys for this video. I hope you like the video. And mag-subscribe na kayo guys, please. Alright guys, see you in the next one. Peace out.